number of third and senior clones are placed with the trading companies. There have been a number of people here who have expressed their preference. Here I have taken out the seed potatoes they need. I also took samples for cooking and baking test and samples for glue sensitivity determination. From the remaining seed potatoes I get tubers again for the next year trial field, and from consumption I will cut a few more tubers for internal defects and put the rest back to look at the storability. Thanks for watching.